Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Don from 1A Auto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And the next time you need a part for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear hub. We show you the passenger side. The driver's side is the same procedure. Really the hardest part of this is removing the drum from the brakes. You'll need a jack and jack stands, your lug wrench or a 22mm socket with a breaker bar, impact screwdriver, a threaded bolt, a hammer, 32mm socket, and you'll need a breaker bar or a ratchet and pipe for some leverage, a torque wrench, and a punch or cold chisel. Start out by removing the rear wheel. If you don't have the benefit of impact tools, you'll want to loosen the lug nuts with the vehicle on the ground, then raise and secure the vehicle and remove the lug nuts, wheel, and tire. Lug nuts off, then pull off the wheel and tire.
Using an impact driver to take off the two Phillips head screws that are holding the drum on.
Okay, that impact driver is a pretty important tool. Basically what it does is you put it into the screw head, turn it counterclockwise, then hit it with a hammer, and it both drives the screwdriver bit in and turns it a little bit counterclockwise to loosen it up.
I'm going to use a threaded bolt here to push in and help get the rotor of the drum off.
Okay, you'll need to acquire the correct size threaded bolt. I believe it's a M12 regular threaded bolt, and thread that in and then use a hammer to help you loosen it up and bring it the rest of the way out.
Use a screwdriver and a hammer. Get our cap off here.
Okay, it's pretty basic. Use the screwdriver and the hammer, and you can see we actually shift to a little smaller screwdriver to get it started, and just keep prying out, keep hitting different parts of the cap until you get it broken loose and coming out.
Got a 32mm socket. I'm going to use a ratchet and a pipe for extra leverage. Got the old part and the new part from 1A Auto, and it's identical. I'm going to torque the nut to 152 foot-pounds. And there's a notch in the spindle here. I'm going to use a little bit of a wedge punch to roll over the nut into it, keep it from unscrewing itself. I'm going to put the drum back on, and I want to make sure I align the two holes to the hub here. installing the 2 Phillips head screws in the drum. Put my cap back on.
Now fast forward here as we put the wheel and tire back on, put the lug nuts on and tighten them preliminarily.
And torque the wheel lugs in a star pattern, 100 foot-pounds.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1aauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.